In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a team in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by logging in to your Microsoft Teams account. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft Teams website or opening the desktop application. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main interface where all your active interactions take place. Next, you'll want to locate the Communities tab, which is found on the left side of the screen. This tab shows all the teams and communities you are part of. It's pretty straightforward to navigate, so you should see it easily displayed there. Now it's time to find the specific team you wish to leave. Scroll through the list of teams under the Communities tab. When you identify the team you want to exit, you will need to look for the 3 dots next to the team's name. These 3 dots signify more options available for that particular team, so go ahead and click on them. In the drop-down menu that appears, you will see various options related to that team. Among these options, you'll find Leave Community. This is exactly what you're looking for. When you click on Leave Community, a prompt will appear to confirm your decision. This step is crucial as it ensures you really want to exit the team. To finalize the process, simply confirm by clicking on the Leave button. And just like that, you're no longer a member of that team in Microsoft Teams. It's worth noting that leaving a team does not delete the team or any of its content. It simply removes you from the list of members. If you ever decide to join that team again in the future, you can always do so, provided you have the necessary permissions to be re-invited. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to leave a team in Microsoft Teams. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Remember, Microsoft Teams is designed to enhance collaboration, so don't hesitate to explore its features further. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share this video with others who may also need help navigating Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to optimize your experience with Teams and many other Microsoft applications. Happy teaming!